this is going to be a video tutorial on how to manually update Windows Defender in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To manually update Windows Defender in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is go down to the little search bar down here. If you don't see it there, you could also left click on this box here, the start icon. You could left click on it and you could do your search up here. I'm just going to use the little search bar down here. I'm going to place my mouse cursor in there and I'm going to search for Windows Security. And you can see Windows Security right here. I'm going to click on the little box right over here. I'm going to click right in here. And then this box right here will appear. The next thing you want to do is go right over here, Virus and Threat Protection. You want to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then you want to, down towards the bottom of this dialog box, you'll see it says Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Right in here it tells you when your last update was performed, when it updated last. But if you want to manually update, you could click where it says Protection Updates. I'm going to click on Protection Updates. And once again right here it tells you what version of Security Intelligent you're using. It tells you when the version was created, when your last update was done. And then down below here, you could click, it says Check for Updates. I'm going to click on Check for Updates. It's going to take a few seconds to check. It says Update was successful. My current time is 12:55 p.m. And as you can see right here, it updated at 12:55 p.m. That is how to manually update Windows Defender in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.